welcome to yet another DIY video. 2012 Hyundai Sonata hybrid, and the speakers on both of the front doors are not working. I had a speaker up there. Let me see if I can show you. The speaker on this side on the dash, that wasn't working. I changed it, so you can check out the video for this one. And so today I'm gonna attempt to remove this door panel here so I can actually change the speaker. All right, so I purchased these bad boys here from Amazon. Just came in. They are JBL, so that's not a bad brand, so we'll see. Here we go. That is one of them I just took out. So let's go install it, see how that's gonna go. Now, a couple things to keep in mind when you're removing this panel here. You have to remove this part. There's a part right here you also have to remove. And over here, you have to remove this part as well. There's a screw here you have to unscrew. So these are the three parts you remove before you try to pull it apart. See, it has 1, 2, 3 little clips here. That's what clips in there. And after you get it out, then we can unscrew it. All right, so after you take all this down, you're basically ready to pull the panel out. After you get the panel out, you're basically ready to remove the speaker and replace it with the new one. Seems like the speaker was just unplugged. It appears that this is supposed to be in the speaker, and it was unplugged. Wow. Let's see.
Analysis from our experts. It's an all-access pass to your
This is crazy, guys, because this thing here was just unplugged. So now I'm on the passenger side, because on the driver's side the speaker works great, so there was no need to change it. Passenger side speaker was unplugged as well, so I went ahead and plugged it. Let me try this one and see if it works still. This one is the problem. This is the one I'm gonna have to change now. All right, so as you can see, it's already dark, so I had to pull in the garage. I have great light, so you'll be able to see. So basically I replaced the old speaker, the one that was bad, which is right here. I got the new one in already. See, it doesn't make that noise anymore, so we're good to go. Yeah. You hear this? This thing sounds good now, man. Now all the speakers are working. We are good to go. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Especially a comment. Let me know what you think, if I did something wrong, because I want to learn from others too. I'm not a professional. I'm simply showing you how I do things when I feel like I can do it. It's not, you know, such a big load for me to carry. So again, thank you. Bye-bye.